Studio House Costa Rica emerges discreetly among the mature trees on the steep hillside of Playa Hermosa, Uvita, Bahia Balena. The land slopes in two directions, revealing a topographical challenge that was fully embraced by the design. More than 50% of the built area is dedicated to terraces and the pool, merging nature, architecture, and life. Descending along a Core 10 steel staircase, one reaches the 10-meter-long pool that follows the natural topography and connects visually to the jungle and the sea. Another staircase leads up to the rooftop terrace, nestled among the treetops, an ideal place to watch the sunset or the night sky. The absence of a solid facade in the main living room dissolves the boundary between inside and outside. Air, sound, light, and vegetation flow freely through the space. The vast ocean on the horizon and the enveloping jungle blend seamlessly into everyday life. Crossing through the main room, the kitchen and living area merge into a single open space, oriented north-south and completely open to the ocean. Rammed earth walls and sliding glass panels allow the surrounding vegetation to become an integral part of the composition. Access is via a suspended concrete platform, reached by slabs that appear to float above the terrain. This platform simultaneously serves as a roof for a lower-level bathroom and as an entryway to the upper space. The exposed concrete kitchen island, 4 meters long, serves both as a functional centerpiece and as an interior sculpture. Core 10 steel, floor-to-ceiling glass, and solid cedar wood compose a palette that embraces the aging and transformation of materials, a Wabi-Sabi philosophy expressed through architecture. The side terraces, the barbecue terrace on the ground level, the pool, and the rooftop deck function as extensions of the interior, a fluid continuity between living, dining, relaxing, and contemplating. The rammed earth walls with their warm, earthen tones resonate with the surrounding vegetation. The bedrooms on the lower level, visible only from the most private part of the garden, emphasize the relationship between public and private. A corridor bathed in the reddish glow of the sunset leads to two smaller bedrooms, a powder room, and a bathroom with direct access to the pool and a view of the ocean. Light filtering through the leaves' komorebi draws soft shadows across the stone floor and white interior surfaces. The distant sounds of the jungle, the breeze passing through open spaces, the view of the sea all converge into a calm, contemplative, almost meditative experience. The Core 10 steel staircases, the concrete kitchen island, the sliding glass panels, and the floating platform create a sequence that guides the inhabitant through a series of spatial discoveries. Circulation is not merely functional, but ritualistic. Entry, living room, kitchen, terrace, pool, rooftop. At night, a wall of cabinetry with laser-cut steel doors transforms into a luminous object, projecting patterns that resemble a starry sky. Studio House unites modernity, functionality, design, and nature in a fluid dialogue. It does not simply rest upon the land, the architecture wears the landscape, celebrates the passage of time, and allows living itself to become an expression of coexistence. Here, space and nature do not compete, they merge, revealing that a home can be more than shelter. It can be a living conversation with the landscape around it.